Here we're going to look at how we find the area of composite shapes. So a composite shape is one which is made up of two other shapes. Okay. In this shape here, okay, there is a formula for working out the area of the shape, but it's difficult to remember. So it's much easier if we spot that we can cut it across here to get two shapes. I'll call this shape 1 and call this shape 2. Okay. Shape 2, that's just a rectangle. We can see it's got a length of 6 and a width of 4. So we can work out the area of that quite easily. The triangle, a little bit more thinking about it, okay, but if we look at the base of the triangle is this length along here. And if this length here is 6, then this length here is 6. Okay, so the base of the triangle is also going to be 6. The height, if, just grab a different colour, if this length is 4 down here, then this length here must be 4. Okay. Now that means that if this bit is 4 and this total length from here to here is 6, then that means this bit must be 2. So we know the triangle's got a base of 6 and a height of 2. So we can find the area, call it area 1 for the triangle, half times base times height. So that's a half times 6 times 2. So as before, work out 6 times 2, which is 12. Half that, we get 6 square centimetres. For the rectangle, so area 2, I'm going to use area equals, I'll use length times breadth, doesn't matter what we call them, and then 6 by 4. So 6 times 4, 24 square centimetres. So now the area of our shape is 6 plus 24. So that equals 30 square centimetres. Okay, another example. Okay, so in this one, you can see a shape, funny sort of L-type shape, but it is basically just made up of two rectangles. I'll call it rectangle 1, rectangle 2. Okay, I should have added in that this is 2 meters. Okay, so because it's two rectangles, we've got area 1 equals length times breadth, so that's just for that one 2 times 5. 10, notice I've used meters for my units, so it's square meters. Area 2, 7 times 1, which is 7 square meters. And so our total area, 10 plus 7, which is 17 square meters. So for composite shapes, you need to cut them into simpler shapes.